part 2 of making pancakes. So, pouring the first one in right now. Oh, needed to. Don't do this at home, guys. I don't want to do it. Can you stretch it? I don't know.
You don't know what's there.
MJ, say hi. Come say hi. MJ, come say hi. Come say hi. MJ, ah. How? What the heck? It's literally deep frying the pancake. MJ, look what you did. Look. So, but since there's also this video, I was talking about her in the last one, how she has her own YouTube channel. I should go ahead and follow her. Or subscribe to her. Oh, look at this pancake. Here's my sister though. Well, I accidentally stepped in the back of my baby brother's shoes because, you know, like I was saying, me and my mom are going somewhere today. My sister's staying here. You know. This is the first pancake. It's done. Literally deep fried it. Oh, ooh, hot.
Turn it down. Yeah.
Well,
Don't turn it all the way up.
my said I was said he's gonna finish the rest.
I'll make them.
No, bro, you're gonna burn them.
No, I'm not.
Sure. No, no, actually, stop.
I'm not gonna turn the thing all the way.
Okay, stop it.
It's not all the way.
You literally.
I literally.
Don't. I burnt them. Kind of lucky. So what? I'm so bad at this. I know how to cook, but like. My bad. No, wait, don't do that. Bye guys, that's the end of this video.